Let us illustrate the union of a set then using the Venn diagram. So you should start learning the shaded parts from now. So now let A be equals to this set and B to be the set of these numbers. Now we have already learned that A union B means we should combine A and B together without writing any number twice. I've done that in previous video, but now I want to use diagram to represent it. So A, let's do it separately first. A will represent one circle like this. B will also represent another circle. So using Venn diagram, we're splitting it now. So A, put all the numbers inside. 1, 2, let me just write. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is all the numbers in A. So now B, 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 13, 15, 20. So naturally this is A and B using circle diagram. So that is A is all the elements here and B is all the elements here. But now what is common to both A and B? Check. You can see 2 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here, 5. Which one again? Nothing. 10. We still have 10. So those are the numbers that are common, and we call those ones A intersection B. That is the number that are common to both. So we are doing intersection next. That is 2, 3, 5, 10. So those are the intersection. So now to combine these two diagrams together, look at this. I'll just move this one, I'll move it closer to this, so they will have, so the diagram can be like this. They can have intersection as in here. So that's how we'll move it. So let me now redraw the diagram. So see it separately again. So A is this, B is this. So now let us use, I'll still shade. Remember, union is what? Combining A and B, including the ones that are in both. So now this is A, so this is B. I want to make it bold. So A, B. So this is A and B. So universal, just put it outside. So if everything you have here now is A and B, then what is A and what is their intersection? We have seen that their intersection is 2. What is common? 3, 5, and 10. So those are the intersection. Now what is A? We already know that all the elements in A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now write all the elements in A just like this now. So you are including this. So we have 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if you trace this circle now, if you trace this circle here, that means everything is for A. So like this. So everything is for A. Now what of B? You see B is 2, 3, 5, 7. So we have 2, 3, 5, then 7, 10, 13, 15, and 20. So this is B. So now that means I have represent this set A and B in a Venn diagram like this. Now how can we now shade the shaded parts? So now let's do the shaded part. So I want to shade, so let's do the shaded part. So again, we know that A is this and B is this. So now if I have a set A, then we are not using number now, we are just we want to shade. So let's say this is A, so I'm shading A this way. So this is B, I will use different pattern. Please don't use the same pattern if you are shading, because they are not the same, so we are using different pattern. So this is A and B. So if I say represent set A, if I shade, so this is set A. If I say represent set B, then this is set B. So now let's put it on a Venn diagram to represent union. So now this is universal. So let me make it small. Okay, I will still do the final result. So now A is this and B, so you put it together. So now if I have the two together, A and B, so now what is A? You need to do it, what we want to do is A union B, but we need to show the workings. So you shade A first. Now shade A first, so we are using this pattern. So if you look at this, I've shaded A, as in you see that it's all the A that I shade. So forget that the B is there, so just shade the A. Again shade B, you'll be doing it one by one because we are doing A union B. Now shade B, so that will be this. Now if you look at this, I've shaded A and B, so you will see that everything I have here is one line, everything I have here is single line, but what I have inside here is double line. You will see it like a net. See, something like this inside this place is a double line. So now we are not using that double line now because that is intersection, but union means you combine everything including what you have in both. That means for union, everything here represents union. So that means my final results for union my final results for union is A, B, then A union B. So I will now use one, I'm shading everything, that is single and the double, but I will now use just one pattern for all. So this is my result, final answer. This is like workings, then this is the final answer. So this set now represent A union B in Venn diagram. So now let's move on to intersection.